Hey mathematicians, for today's math lesson, you will need your book. If you don't have it, it's okay. You can follow along on the video screen, but if you do have it, go ahead and pause the video so you can go get it. And then you will need one crayon. So go ahead and pause the video, get the supplies you need, and then come back. All right, let's take a look at today's solve and share. I'm on page 649. You can see that right here down at the bottom. And this will be lesson 11-5. Today we are going to practice counting forward from any number up to 100, okay? So let's look at the solve and share together. It says, count forward from the yellow number. Do you see that number right here? The one that's colored yellow? Count forward from the yellow number. Stop when you get to the red number. Tell how many numbers you counted out loud and color the boxes of the numbers that you counted to show your work. I'm going to say that one more time. Start at the yellow number. Stop at the red number. How many numbers did you count? And I want you to color the numbers that you counted. Go ahead and pause the video and do that all by yourself. Let's take a look at today's math video.
How can a 100 chart help you count from one number to another? Let's find out. What do you see? Part of a 100 chart with numbers from 71 to 100. Which number is in the yellow box?
It's this number right here. Can you read that number?
The number 72 is in the yellow box. How can you count forward to reach the number in the red box? You can count by ones. You can mark the boxes as you count. Mark an arrow in each box. The first number you count is 72. What does the arrow show?
Let's go ahead and try it today.
Select each row in the chart to show counting on from 72. You begin at the start number and count 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. After 80, go to the beginning of the next row and count 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90.
And then we would go to this row.
After 90, go to the beginning of the next row. Stop counting at 91.
The arrow shows each number you have counted. Count forward from 72. 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. When you get to the end of a row, where do you go next?
And remember, they just showed
You
us
go
that.
to the start of the next row. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. What do you notice about the arrows? There is an arrow in each box from the yellow box to the red box. When counting by ones, you find the start number and count each number after it. What do you do when you get to the end of a row, like number 80? You move to the beginning of the next row, number 81. On what number do you stop counting? You stop counting on 91. Now you know how to use a 100 chart to help count from one number to another.
Great job! You're good at math.
Oh, I know it. My kinders are very good at math. All right, let's turn the page to the next one. And here we go. Now, one thing you could do if drawing arrows is tricky, which I think it kind of is, especially for kinders with little hands, instead of drawing the arrows, you could color each box, and that would work as well, as long as you know the direction that you are counting. And we'll talk some more about that. All right, I turned my page. I'm looking at page number 650. Your book should look just like the screen here. We're going to take a look at number 1 star and number 2 apple together on this page. It says, have students color the boxes of the numbers as they count aloud. Start at the yellow box and end at the red box, okay? So you can see that on number 1 star, they already colored the boxes for you, but this is a great example because it shows us what we're supposed to do. We can start at any number and count on until we get to 100. In this example, they want us to start at the number 42, so they colored it yellow, and they want us to stop at the number 60. So let's do that. I'll put my arrow on 42, and they've already colored these, so we don't have to do anything here, but I still want to count on from 42. So count with me. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Now we go to the beginning of the next row. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, and stop. We stop when we get to the red number. And you can see that they colored the numbers that we counted. Now let's try one together. We're going to start at the yellow number and stop at the red number. What number did they color yellow? We're going to start at the number 7. And what number will we stop at? Do you see the red number? We're going to stop when we get to 22. So I'm going to get a pencil ready. I want you to get a crayon ready. Let's see, I think I'm going to do yellow. Here we go. Right, do you have a crayon ready? If you don't have a crayon, a pencil works just the same. Starting at 7, we're going to color each number as we go and stop when we get to 22. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Do you see how I'm just coloring each box kind of quickly? I'm not worried about it being perfect. And remember, if this is going a little bit too fast, you can always pause the video. All right, I stopped at 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and we can stop there. Great job. Let's go ahead and turn the page. And in your book, you don't actually have to turn it. It should just be the very next page that you are looking at. Oh boy, this is a lot of numbers. We're only going to do a couple of these. And remember, you have to train your eyes for where we want you to look. For number 3, fish, we are just looking at this hundreds chart right here, okay? All right, let's look at the directions. It says color the boxes of the numbers as we count aloud, starting at the yellow box and ending at the red box. All right, I have to get my pencil ready again, or my crayon. I like that yellow. There we go. So remember, starting at the yellow, stopping at the red. We're going to start at the number 34, and we're going to count on until we get to the number 55. Here we go. Got your crayons ready? Go ahead and do it in your book. I've got my book in front of me. I want you to do it in your book with me. Remember, if you don't have your book, then just follow along on the screen. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Next row. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, and stop. Great counting, mathematicians. All right, we are going to skip ahead. We are not going to do number 4 hearts. We're going to skip it. And we are not going to do number 5 handprint. Skip it. We're going to my favorite number, number 6 coffee cup. Start at the yellow number. Stop at the red number. What number did they color yellow? It's the number 56. All right, let's go. We're going to stop when we get to the red number, which is 76. Crayons ready? 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, and stop. Fantastic job, mathematicians. Go ahead and turn the page in your book. All right, my kinders. Do you see the big words up at the top? Independent practice. It is time for you to pause the video and try this page all by yourself. For numbers 7, 8, and 9, you're going to do the same thing that we just did together. Start at the yellow number, stop at the red number. Count each number out loud and color the boxes as you go along. Okay? For number 10 house, it's going to be the same thing. Start at yellow, stop at red. But this time, I want you to fill in the missing numbers, okay? So pause the video and get to work. Then come back and push play, and we'll do it together so that you can check your work. All right, let's take a look at number 7 Christmas tree. Starting at the number 12, count out loud with me. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and stop. All righty. Number 8 flag. I'm going to change my crayon color this time. You can change your color too if you want. Okay, here we go. Starting at the yellow number, can you read that number? 63. And here we go. 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, and stop. Very Good. All right, number 9, kite. We're starting at the yellow number, stopping at the red number. Okay, here we go. 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, and stop. All right, kinders, let's start at this yellow number. Now, what is the number that goes there? And how did you figure it out? For this one, I know that the decade numbers are the last number in each row. I also know that if I look at the number that comes before, that's 59, the number that comes after 59 is 60. So we're going to write the number 60. Uh-oh, I think I'm going to have to make my pencil a little bit smaller. It was too wide to write in that square. And let's go ahead and change to green just for fun. All right, 60. And then we color 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Great job. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. And stop because we made it to the red number. Fantastic job, mathematicians. All right. On your next page, it's the page right next to the one that we were working on, that says homework and practice. These pages are optional. That means you can do them if you want to, but you don't have to. If you do them, take a picture and send it to me so that I can see your work. All right, let's take a look at today's Another Look video. I need to find it. And then that will conclude our math lesson for today. Here we go.
Hey, Carlos, what's going on? Let's practice counting forward from a number on this 100 chart. Sure. Where should I start? Start with 16. Okay, here's 16. Now count to 35. 17, 18, 19, 20. I've reached the end of a row, so I move down one and all the way to the left. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Let's do one more. Count from 69 to 82. Got it. 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. Hey, that was fun. Can we do it again sometime? You can count on it.
Great job, mathematicians. I'll see you next time.